Vivint doorbell cameras go offline primarily due to disruptions in power, Wi-Fi connectivity issues, or software glitches. Common causes include weak Wi-Fi signal, router problems, or the camera needing a simple reset. As of January 2026, updated firmware and app features aim to reduce these occurrences, but understanding the core reasons is key to fixing the problem. Power cycling is a simple reset that often resolves many issues with your Vivint doorbell camera. For wired cameras, start by unplugging the power adapter. Hold it unplugged for 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and wait for the camera to fully power up and reconnect to Wi-Fi. For battery-powered models like the Vivint Outdoor Camera Pro, remove the battery. Keep it removed for 30 seconds. Then reinsert the battery and wait for the camera to power up and reconnect. Restarting your router can resolve IP address conflicts or temporary glitches. Unplug your router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Also, ensure your router's firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues with smart devices. Check your router manufacturer's website for update instructions. Consider using WPA3 encryption for enhanced security and compatibility. The Vivint app serves as your primary diagnostic tool for camera issues. Begin by opening the app on your device. Navigate to Device Settings and select the Reconnect Device feature, which automatically scans for network issues and applies fixes. Check the app for any error messages or notifications related to your camera's status, such as connectivity alerts. Ensure your app is updated to the latest version, v5.1 or later, to access new diagnostic features. The app includes a troubleshooting wizard that provides step-by-step guidance for resolving common issues. If basic steps don't work, check for Wi-Fi channel congestion. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to identify the least congested channel and switch your router to that channel. Common household appliances like microwaves can cause interference. Try moving the camera or router away from these devices. Ensure the camera is within 100 feet of the router for optimal signal strength. Keep your Vivint doorbell camera's firmware updated. Vivint regularly releases updates that improve Wi-Fi stability and compatibility. Check the Vivint app or your Vivint account online for available updates. Be aware of potential compatibility issues with third-party routers, especially when upgrading to IPv6 networks. Resetting your router after firmware updates might be necessary. Updates like v4.2.1 in January 2026 improve Wi-Fi stability. If you've tried all troubleshooting steps and your camera remains offline, contact Vivint support. Note down the steps you've already taken to help the support team diagnose the issue faster. As a last resort, they can provide advanced technical assistance or determine if a hardware replacement is needed. Remember to check Vivint's support documentation and community forums for additional tips and solutions.